ntucikwe n'abandi ugenda ubabwira uti hari season nshya yitwa Hunted iyo akatsindwa muzayireba muzumirwa urumva Yesu niwe bababwiye ati bazumirwa nuko yasikagariwe ya questions mukaririmbo ke kanyuma tugatangira party time ya Hunted nyuma y'akaririmbo nigiye kujyamo don't miss akaririmbo nakanyuma tugatangira Hunted. When you watch a road, girl, you know your body good. When you watch a yeah, every girl to a man and every man to a girl. Mwabyumvishe cyane abantu b'amatimba babyumva vuba. Ibuka ko dukorera mu muji, ushaka udufilme twacuraza neza ugafata utwo ushaka ku mafaranga make senkisa. Season 2 ya episode 4. Filime isanzwe zibaresha tu. Yes, cyagariwe. Muze mwigurire. Akanimero ka telefone ni kakandi 078 60 88 340 ubundi ukatubwira icyo shaka filime wifuza yose turayibona bugura make cyane respect everybody Hunted nigiye kujya mu Hunted season ni filime ya season yitwa Hunted ya filime dutangiye dute bantu bakuru itangira gutyo ukaba irimo kuyibona iri imbere yawe ukabona filime nigaragara neza abantu bakuru mumenye ko filime twarazihenduye zirahendutse cyane uzi ko filime ujya kuyigura ugatanga 5 ugafata filime 3 zifunitse ziri mu gipochete bimeze neza igaragara nkuko uyireba wajya hariya mu bana ba computer 500 wumve filime baguha kandi zifunitse ziriho na pochete filime uyireba ukavuga uti ndareba indebe niri wagira kuri bari abana ba computer mwagiye mubahirye itanu koko Vierge babaningaho zarahendutse Vierge gura senkani nawe mu inote y'ijana yungukiraho afata senkani nawe urginde babarakacwa n'uburoro batwangirije n'amafilime abantu kera najyaga nkubita n'umuntu ngo Yanga filime zawe nizigaragara kumbe bari abaginga nibo bizangije banyicize nashaba ariko naje nabona basomera filime rero nuko tutangiye dutangira dute dutangira batwereka igikobwa birahure arabamwe ngo dusomera amazina Hunted icyahizwe cyangwa wahizwe Hunted umuhigo Max Cinemax original series nabaduteguriye neza cyane reka masomera amazina Cinemax presents bafatanije na BBC cyane in association with BBC Melissa George akarimo cyane Adam Ryher akarimo cyane Stefan Dier akarimo Stefan Harvey urumva musetsiki niba narize namaze yes cyegariwe cyangwa mugira ngo ndeka kubasomera mere nka yakuntu ryakitwa n'uburoro kijyaho kikabeshya abantu ugasanga abantu bakuru bicaye yewe byambaseka cyane cyangwa kiriya ngo ni pipi yajya kugusomera amazina rekaze nsomera izina ry'icyongereza mvuko risoma Jalaleka kwanza hariya sasa Jalaleka wahise kusoma nawe ngo nuko nize francophone icyongereza ukacyumva utese ngo ndapapira ndite buriya pipi nyakwitwa n'uburo Hunted umuhigo kuki filime yiswe umuhigo rero dutangira mu gihugu cyitwa Tangier amajwi wumva barimo gukora iki kwazina batoye iki hazana kumbe binabyo birimo biricundeba ku nzugi ahubwo se biricundeba ku nzugi kimwe gisunika ikindi murabona badasunikana n'umujinya kumbe nyire ngo kimwe kirimo kiraterura ikindi kikagisimbiza byicundeba baje turi mu gihugu cya Tangier turabarangije ibyo urumva noneho filime nuko itangiye Ngabo bwaciye mu gitondo arimo kugenda ko umukobwa aramucunza maze yahindukira kumureba undi agasinzira. Kikubwa ko wasanga ari babandi bikorera nk'abamatimba. N'ubwo ucunga maze agacunga ushize utunote mu gitondo akatwegukana. Ese sheri byagenze bitamenya ari imbe bazayariye. Kobwa nguyu arareba nibarebe. Kobwa arafite ijisho bakobwa b'igahanga namwe bwaje.
Je suis juste pensif.
Uri umeze neza umukobwa atumeze neza ndimo ndatekereza. Uratekereza iki? Gabo no France. Frenchman. Ça va, tu es ça va? Oui, je suis un peu ça va. Narize abantu bakunda iminaza ariko nizi. Bakomeza kugenda baracyari muri cyagiye gucyatangira. Umugabo afite agafaranga urareba iyo modoka? Reba kuntu ireba ni nk'umwana w'umuntu. Ibikobwa ni byinshi rusha by'amatimba hano byakanuye ibyijisho wagira ngo ni kurudofese. Birisha babitukura gusa bajya mu bararirondo nako bararirara nani nibagiwe. Modoka iri hariya. Iyo. Ureba imodoka ubundi ukamenya no mu mufuka w'umuntu uko ahagaze. Wareba umuntu asanga rutuma ivu ya kuntoryi ukamenya uko ahagaze mu mufuka. Ubwo ndavuga basobanura film.
J'ai une petite affaire à régler avant d'aller à l'aéroport.
Hari business igomba kurangiza mbere yuko njya ku kibuga.
Ça te dérange de m'attendre ici?
Hari ikibazo unegereje hano? Urambaza mu Gifaransa.
Allez, viens.
Ngaho ngwino gira. Ngwino tujyane basi. Ngabo nguyu hano. Ntabwo mwabyumvaga mu Gifaransa bajya bahakana harya ni bande. Muraza kwemera. Yes, yeah.
On y va?
Uraza kuza cyangwa? Bakomeza kujyanirana. Agakobwa karatekereza byinshi mwibuke yabyutse karimo kumucunga. Tangia afite business agomba kurangiza mbere yuko bagera ku kibuga cy'indege. Kobwa aracungaho baca hose niba afite ubwoba nibo ni simbiza ariko jewe meruka cyaje bicundeba. Barimo kugenda acunganwa n'abantu bari hano. Uyu business agiye kurangiza sinzi zarizo. Kobwa agacunga hasi aracunga n'akandagira. Ngomenya mbere yuko ajya ku kibuga cy'indege ngo bagende.
Attends-moi ici.
Negereza hano. Umuzemererega abakana muri hafi kwemera. Hasike. Hari umugabo yagiye kwifungirana. Igikobwa kirareba. Hashize ngaho umugabo arongera. Vayo. Ntaru bifungirana.
Je t'avais dit que ça serait.
Nakubwiye ko nari butindeyo. Ugagenda neza. Ibya hano bigenda uko byishakiye wajya ubona urubata ruri inyuma yawe. Ntabwo ari byose ariko ndavuga ibya hariya za matimba. Birakicwa n'uburoro gusa. N'iby'ikarembure n'igahanga. Aha. Kumbe barimo kuvayo hari sniper. Tuze nde. Niba ataruye mu kirere n'umukobwa. Mwibuke muri Bone Supremacy. Shiramo. Takati. Pemye umukobwa mu mutwe. Sika gutangira umugabo. Umugabo yabonye umukobwa apfuye nta kindi cyakurikiye ugusiga umukobwa imodoka igatangira. Imodoka igitangira gutya. Iyo kamutaye. Umukobwa karamwitangiye we nta n'umurambo wako yajyanye. Urumaze gukora ibyo akora arangiriza bapfuye imbunda ye. Ciao mukarage. Asa nazo ntabwo zitinda bangukira gutabara. Umugabo yagiye arimo kurira bangugira gutabara zicyagera gutya. Wa mukobwa haryamye. Bano vuba ubutandaro bwabo. Katururi. Mukobwa nani kimugezamo barongera baramuhambura kumbe ni muzima. Mukobwa ari mu biki?
Saw you breathing. Did you know?
Hurry up.
Ugire vuba byagenze uko twabipanze. Mukobwa arangije ahita yindura imyenda vuba. Kumbe wa mukobwa
J'ai oublié mon sac à main, et mon passeport.
nibagiwe igikapu cyanjye kirimo passport yanjye kirimo ibintu byose. Bihangane. Umugabo amusubiza wa mugabo mwibuke neza hano yagiye mu cyumba maze agatindayo umukobwa niwe yagarutse. ngo yibagiwe igikapu cye kirimo passport ibintu byose kumbe uko bakaje uyu munsi iragereje banyiciye umugore kumbe amaraso yamugoye ku mudomo agiye kumva yumva harimo urwunyunyu n'umunyu mwinshi yariye ini sauce tomate tu yakwicunga urufunguzo kumbe yagendanye hamwe mu cyashuma yagiye kwifungira nayo subira inyuma vuba umukobwa yamwibye mwagiye mwitondera abakobwa b'iyi minsi ko turi abantu kumbe dore n'icyarashe umukobwa bose bari muri deal umwe umugabo yagiye yifungirana mu cyumba ngo ndaje ntabwo ninda kumbe igikobwa cyamwibye urufunguzo urakose dore ni iki ngiki nari niba hash yewe koga hunted filime yiswe wahizwe cyangwa se umuhigo uguzo kwa boss cyagiye boss agisohoka igikobwa nibwo cyamukokoye ngeze mindani kumbe umuntu bari bafungiranye mu
You're in pain, but you have to move quickly and do exactly what I say, you understand?
Yes.
urakora ibyo ngubwira kugira ngo turebe ko twakira uranyumva ndati cyane
Going.
So we're safe.
agare koga koga ni rwaje kazi
Go on, Natalia. Who hired you?
Do you want to get out of here or not?
urinde ariko wa mukobwa urinde muri bana yihute boss aragarutse asubira koga fighter rwaje kazi kigera hano
You're on time.
Well, I thought I'd make the effort.
wagereye mu gihe
It's a special occasion.
rimwe na rimwe niko bigenda iyo umuntu ari mu kazi kihutirwa yahagereye mu gihe hari undi wagombaga kuza maze agatabara umukobwa n'uyu musore n'uyu mugabo bafite n'undi mugenzi wabo kigabo baragitorokesheje nicyo cyari gifunze
Where are you taking me? What's going on?
n'ikijya mbere babanza kumusuzuma ibikumwe barebe ko umuntu bashaka ari we
Yep.
niwe
The rest, Doc.
urakomeza uruhuke mo gato
Go.
tugende bamuteye ibiserumu arasinzira nako ibintu by'ibiti barangije vite vuba vite we ukapawe vite kujya kwanyura barimo kuza vite mugakari yawe gakari bose abona agakobwa gacaho hunted muhigo niyo turora nari wenyine ari kumwe n'abandi bagabo cyamuciyeho shaho gifite umuvuduko wagira ngo ni bamwe birukanka ibirometero 20 bya Kigali kobwa asubira inyuma Tangier niho turi igihugu cyiganjemo abantu bo mu idini ya Islam kobwa umugize amushyira ku ruhande baranje
I missed you.
nari bisi kuri bube hano ndati nari ngukumva
Much longer we're going to keep doing this?
We should go.
tugomba kuva hano we should go
Sooner or later.
You might.
Let's leave on our own terms while we still can.
tugende n'ayandi mabwiriza mu gihe bigishoboka urumva gusa kandi tugende uko tugomba kugenda bafite uburyo bari bapanze bari bugendemo filime yiswe nde hunted umuhigo gikobwa n'indwanye kazi
Something I have to tell you.
hari ibyo nshaka kubwira there is something I have to tell you
Cafe Kalir at 4 o'clock. Don't be late.
tuze guhura saa 10 zuzuye kandi ntuze gukererwa amurangira muri cafeteria ahantu bagomba guhurira mbese nk'uwakubwira ngo tuze guhurira muri hahandi kwa Yanga muri Zewani saa 10 ntuza gucererwa ahantu bagomba guhurira kuri cafeteria n'ahantu hameze nko mu cyaro umukobwa yamubwiye atuje ngo hari ibintu ushaka kubwira nta kintu umukobwa yakoze kuri cafeteria niho yaje aho bacuruza agakafe agakawa passport arayifite si passport gusa umukobwa yari afite n'udufoto tugaragaza umuntu bapimye akada bakareba ko hari ibyo agendanamo mu kadigi harimo ikintu rwose kiteretsemo urumva mu kabondo ke kobwa ko yakicaye ategereje sheri we hari utegereje amasaha arakuze saa 10 zigeze wa muntu atarahagera murabibonye bavuganye 4 o'clock saa 10 top pot nako top kobwa arebye hanze hazica ahubwo abantu b'imbunda filime yiswe umuhigo hunted yatekereje byinshi yakaba yahageze saa 10
Yala.
magana polisi vuba yewe datawe cyangwa uruturo nicyo kibayoboye masha
يلا بليغ.
utandukane hanyuma abandi bajye hejuru abandi basohoka ikiri inyuma barebe uruturo niho uje bayoboye aravuga icyara bucyo muri Tangier akiriyo ho yawe ngombwa kumera mu gikoni aya indwanyi kazi umusirikare kazi kobwa mwiza w'umusirikare tekereza ushatse umukobwa nk'uyu sha mu rugo yazagucanga barahiga bahiga filime yiswe umuhigo aho uhiga hinduka umuhigo hunted akiri inyuma barareba twebwe narebye twe kono urucucu hano rurimo kuza amenya ko nanyiri igicucu yaraje birimo gupfa we birimo gupfa ibi bintu kobwa kwandikazi urubaho kwe ibibaho ubu yewe birimo gupfa ugara sirikare birimo gupfa twafashe ka telefone k'umugabo maze mwibaho n'amafaranga akubwo yiruka ngasubira mu nzu ati ibyo vuba byabingushe ngiye kugenda polisi
Ayúdame, por favor.
murava koza kuza kumfasha arebye hasi kumba basaba polisi nta polisi wambere inkweto unda umudamu yari amaze kwipima agafoto yari mu kanya afite agafoto kagaragaza ko mu nda ari umuntu afite icyo agenda n'amabara murashe ntabwo byagarukiyeho umusirikare mugenzi hashize umwaka iminsi maze kwihirika mu mwaka wose mukobwa bamaze kumurasa umukobwa yapfuye nabi mwebwe muricaye mu mwaka wose murareba iyi filime na kamura arimo mwamaisha ntanganye ubusurira umukobwa amaze gushira umwaka dore kadahumeka wajya aboneka Olivier Kacongo no ari gihe kaje gahagarara kaza guca uri kadahumeka cyangwa ujya mirimo yo gukanga inyoni usanga kakwezi nko kora karimo kubahabura aho ngaho ngo ziriya filime tureba tuzi karate byahehe nakumaze guhita tugaruka hakuno hari umuntu watindaga muri douche wa mukobwa sinzi ukuntu yaje kurokoka aracyari muzima 1 year later twabonye hashize umwaka kobwa nago bigarukiraho ahubwo hari ahantu bagaragaza ko bamushinguye bashinguye utari we ni muzima ahora muri siporo sinzi katurore Tangier amenya yaravuyeyo ana handi hantu kure cyane kora siporo kurira imisozi kurira imisozi nibigarukiraho urakoze buri uko ageze mu rugo nta kindi akora siporo yo gutinda mu mazi hasi ujya muri douche maze akaryamamo amazi yose cyakira vabo siko bakitara nasoma cyane gihe nasoma tinda muri lavabo agerageza gukora siporo zose zishoboka ku buryo baramutse bamwirukanganya ari baduduye bazananirwa atarananirwa nyamakuru amanywa nijoro arabisoma yo gucunga neza hari ikinyamakuru cyasohotse ikibabaje yakomeje kugenda surinya ukuntu page umusirikare kandi aza kwikorera iperereza. Hari ubucuruzi bwari bugiye kujya mbere bw'amamiliyoni n'amamiliyoni y'amadolari, za miliyari z'amadolari. Mukobwa buri uko arimo gusurinya, menya kundi ibiraka nk'ibyo ngibyo sinzi uko bigenda, ariko katurori n'ubucuruzi bwagomba kujya mbere. Yari ibana wenyine mu rugo kuva cyagiye bamurasa bakamupema mukada. Yari atwite umwana, sinzi uko umwana yabayeho. Ahenshi ubu hari igihe abantu babarasa iyo bakurashe mu nda ukarokoka. Ikibini mu gatuza no mu rutwe nako mu mutwe. Shubwo musetse iki? Niba ari amenyo manini mbonye, niba ari uguseka. Kandi byinshi yibuka. Kombe ntabwo bigarukiraho. Mu nzu y'uyu mukobwa harimo ibifoto byinshi by'abantu abakoranye nawe. Abagabo bakoranaga n'umukobwa sabo ngabo gusaba boss babo abo yagiye agambanira ubwabo. Harimo na wa mugabo wa mbere wibaje abanje kugambanira abahanganye nabo boss abahanganye nawe. Umukobwa akomeje kubigaho. Afite icyumba cy'umwihariko agenda maze agacengeramo kiri muri parafo hejuru. Icyo yicara maze akiga kuri buri muntu. Yarongeye maze yiga kuri wa muntu yari yabwiye ngo bahure saa 10 ntiyahagera ngo baza bamurasa.
Cafe 4 o'clock, don't be late.
Ayo urongera arabyibuka amubwira ngo uze kuhagera saa 10 uze gucererwa. Saa 10 yari atarahagera nibwo baje kumurasa. Yamenye ko mubo bakorana nabo ubwabo. Iriya quelqu'un ubyekera ikindi. Hari umuntu cyangwa iki cyangwa umuntu kazi w'umugambanyi tu ko bitekerezaho byamuriye mu mutima. Tekereza ninde mugambanira, ninde wamugambaniye. Yaba ari yanshuti ye cyangwa bamwe ba mbere bakoranye, bamwe bari muri ambulance mbangukira gutabara. Umutima mutindamo ko yakicaye mugenzi ntawo kwizera uhari. Hashize umwaka wose narasubira mu kazi ahora yihishe. Ukwisha ko aragira maze akigunga, kibuka byinshi yatangiye gufotora ari kumwe n'akana k'agakobwa. Agafotoramo n'abakiri mutoya. Hano hantu hari iwabo nta muntu wigeze hamenya. Nukuvuga hatuye wenyine nta n'umuntu ubizi. Aribuka byinshi. Ntabwo ari ukubyakabaye abo bakorana ngo bamugambanire. Aribuka umunsi ava muri urwo rugo bagenda.
Stay nice and dry.
Aribuka byinshi. Tekereza yaza kuba dafite hano hantu ashobora kwisha. Musi akaba yari umupfu. Imara atinda mu mazi maze yava yakarebaho utu twondo turimo kumeneka tugeze. Shaka kumenya yatinda mu mazi bingana iki, umwanya ungana iki. Size gutinda ko mu mazi aho bihurira n'iyi filime. Gusa byanze bikuza arimo isano. Komeza kwiruka. Uvuga ngo uzamwirukankana igihe azaba yarakimenyereje. Dudu yari igihe ajya kumufata maze akaba ari unanirwa mbere yuko Dudu yananirwa. Nako Dudu yakananirwa mbere yuko yananirwa. Yesu arayurira. Abakobwa baba bameze nk'abagabo kazi. Bamubaza impfundika aho yavuye akakubesha ko abo bose bakinaga imipira sekura akayimuraga. Ari hano amaze gucunga urugendo yirukanka agacunga ukuntu atinda mu mazi aracunganwa n'igihake gusa. Menye ashobora kuzajya kwihorera katurori. Amazwe hunted kuri inco yavuye matinze cyane. Twondo twamanukaga turimo no gushiramo. Tajya kumunezeza. Kanga maze yongeza umuvuduko. Umuntu ukurira umusozi atabanje kuruhukamo na gatoye. Katurori. Maze kugenda amenyereje. Ibuka iyi filime ya series yiswe Hunted cyangwa se umuhigo niyo turora. Uzishaka mu mujyi turahakorera. Hari ngo kwa Rubangara. Si kwa Rubangara harya. Ko bwarangije ibyo yakoraga maze no kwe iperereza yakoraga ryose asa naho arishoje. Hari icyo ashaka. Yavuye komine maze yerekera umujyi. Za komine zanyu za kera. ajya asiga niba ari ikibirunda vuye mu cyaro nta kazu ke yifitiye wenyine na wundi muntu wari ukazi yerekera tawuni turageze muri tawuni uki uwamugambaniye we n'abakaguyeho to araza kukabona London Ubwongereza niho yagiye barakwereka ageze mu mujyi wa London avuye mu cyaro Rondore sinzi Rondore ahantu bituruka ariko je nisomera London kuko ari nabyo biba byanditse hageze Rondore kobwa yageze Rondore uko yakahageze agera mu nyubako yaje gushaka icyumba nanone gufata icyumba nta muntu yigeze n'umwe abwira hagiye kutura afite service yakoragamo afite inshingano yari afite umukobwa yari yitwaye igikomando iminsi maze kwicuma banza areba ko iki cyumba kimubereye yaremeye afata inzu maze ntabwo bigarukiraho ibintu byose arabyikorera mu nzu maze aragenda arubaka akoramo ikindi cyumba cy'imbaho do hey utamenya ko ari muri cyumba cy'imbaho ku giti cye wenyine kandi iperereza niryo ashyira imbere kurusha ibindi arangije hari aho yerekeye nakubwiye ngo hari akazi yakoragamo mbere yuko ibi byose bimubaho mbere yuko bamurasa twabonye uburyo yari yifashemo harimo kwinjira mu gihe hari undi muntu wamubonye hasi asa nawe amusobanukiwe uwo ari we umukobwa yakoraga muri MI6 MI6 ni ikigo gishinzwe iperereza cyo mu Bwongereza icyo muri Amerika cyitwa CIA Central Intelligence Agency kwa boss.
Every second I open my eyes each morning, I consider the infinite variables of chaos that can occur during a working day, because I like to be one step ahead. I don't like to be on the back foot.
Buruko nafunguraga amaso yanjye nakomeza kubona ibintu bisa na hari ibibazo igihe cyose waba uri mu kazi. Hanyuma ngatekereza kuzagaruka cyangwa se wapfuye. Simbona amaguru yawe.
Now,
none,
because of all the infinite variables of chaos that I pondered this morning, the one that never crossed my mind was that you'd be standing in front of me.
Umuntu nigeze ntekereza kumara umwaka muzima muri aga kanya binunguye kubona ko natekereje ko wanagaruka ukabuhagaze imbere yanjye.
An explanation would be good.
Decided to retire.
Just I like to retire. I like to retire. Nishimiye kuba nafata ikiruhuko.
Decision's not yours to make.
Ntabwo ariko ari uburenganzira bwawe kwihitiramo ikiruhuko.
I think I changed my mind then.
Nanjye nahinduye intekerezo nicyo kingaruye.
What's up?
Bite man. Dore Sam.
Deacon?
Thought you were dead.
Ndacetse ko apfuye.
Guess not.
Ndatomboza ko napfuye jewe. Guess not. Guess ni ngutomboza. Genda tomboza ko napfuye. Uyitwa Deacon umukobwa yitwa Sam.
You disappeared without trace for over a year.
Warabuze ni twebwe abantu ba mbere tuzi guhiga turakubura mpaka umwaka urarangira.
Daily signals placed in 24 newspapers for the last 6 months.
Wanditswe mu binyamakuru 24 mu mezi 6 yose umaze kubura.
Reading the papers.
Turimo kugushakisha n'ibyo binyamakuru sinigeze mbibona. Mwibuke neza ibinyamakuru hari ibinyamakuru umukobwa yasomaga buri munsi akabika.
Where'd you go?
Sightseeing.
Sightseeing.
I was tired.
Nari naniwe.
I needed a change of scenery.
Nashakaga kujya mu mbe naruhuka mpindure n'imyitwarire yanjye kumbe umukobwa arabeje baramurashe arangije arabura. Ntabwo aravuga ko banamurashe.
Take a polygraph.
You can beat a polygraph.
We need to know where you've been, Sam.
Turashaka kumenya ahantu wari uri Sam. Wasanga wari kumwe na Dudu irimo kutugambanira.
To tell you.
Ntabwo mpamvu yo kubabwira.
Question is whether you can still trust me. You can.
Ikibazo ni niba mushobora kuba mwakomeza kunyizera mwanyizera.
To come back to work.
I'm your best operative.
Urakeka ko uje hano uri mu cyerarugendo cyangwa waje hano kutuganiriza umva ndi umwe mu bakozi banyu beza. I'm your best operative. Arimo arabwira boss.
On the block for you. I still have to report up, you know. I still have to deal with the questions.
Uramutse usubiye mu kazi nanjye mfite ngomba guha amakuru turabaza tugira ibyo tukubaza.
You think about the chaos you unleashed.
Do I get my job back?
Uri uzi neza ibibazo wateje undi ati muransubiza akazi. Ngweki urugi ngo ruriya sohoka ugende. Subira wavuye. Hey, inamahirwe kubugarutse muri service nk'iyingi warayivuyemo bakakure kugenda amahoro. Barambwiye ngo niyigendere. Dikoni ntabwo yamwizeye Dikoni ni mukarage ariko se nkaho wakwicaye. Duhekenya dushyize hanze kicwe n'umuroro. Yes. Dikoni yarebye boss baba bamwise kill. Rero bisobanura kwica. Nta mikino afite. imirimo bakora mwayibonye muri Tangier. Umukobwa yavuyeyo nta muntu numwe avugishije arongera yisubirira harara. Niba baramunetse bakurikirana hajya nibyo utambaza. Baketse ko ashobora kuba yarakoranye n'abanzi b'igihugu cy'Ubwongereza. Fata ka telefone.
Be here tomorrow, 0800.
Mu gitondo uze kongeraho amasaha y'akazi. Boss arahamagara. Barongeye baramuhamagara ibyo byose barangurura tu. Baranjyana munsi ya ndabyemeye. Hari utumeza twitwa ndabyemeye. Bakunagayo urutwe maze warangiza ukemera byose. Bakiraho bari mu nama.
Well. Look who dragged their ass back in the door.
Sam, good to see you too.
Nagatangaza ugarutse utase kandi ni byiza namwe kubabona. Nta magambo menshi.
Nice boots.
Bambaye inkweto nziza.
Thanks.
Urakoze.
Put your tongue back in your head. Sam, right?
Sam
Ian Fox.
Fox is ex-Special Forces.
Banyita Fox. Fox uyu nguyu ubona yahoze ari wa Special Forces.
New to the private sector.
Yahoze ari mu ngabo zidasanzwe muri aka kanya yagiye mu byo ku giti cye muri kuritaje mu kazi.
Really looking forward to it.
Bravo, nari umusirikare. Wamaze. Andi baraturitse baraseka.
Morning.
Morning.
Baramutse. Boss kill.
Let's start.
Okay. Target is Jack Turner.
Target yacu ni umugabo witwa Jack Turner. Bas muri muratangiye.
He worked the docks in the mid to late 70s.
Yakoreraga bitwa ba dogs hanyuma aranje mwaramutse harundi wenshi. Dore wa wundi wagambani umukobwa kuri wa munsi mwibuka neza amubwira ngo saa 4 tuze guhura kumbe barakorana we. Bose ni ba nimero nanjye mubona mujye muntinya ubu ngo nimuzi ibyo ndibyo.
Looks like it.
I'd have take if I'd known.
Undati niko bimeze. Looks like it. You are back. Looks like it. Uragarutse. Ngo niko bisa. Magambo machi.
Zoe.
As I was saying, Jack Turner, he worked the docks in the mid to
Jack Turner yakoranye n'abitwa Dogs ni company yitwa Dogs nkuko bavuga ngo Yanga korera the one cyangwa se Junior cyangwa Sankara. Kyagari we.
70s.
Aho hari muri za 70.
Extortion, blackmail, you name it.
Yashimutaga abantu yaricaga icyo washaka cyose
And
ukakivuga.
after they shut down, he went into property. He made a killing on the Docklands.
Ba Docklands abari muri company bakoranaga nabo benshi barapfuye.
He obviously upset a few people because in 1996,
Muri 1996 menya ari abantu yarakaje.
his son John was found murdered and mutilated.
Umwana we John yasanzwe basanze polisi yasanze yishwe hanyuma yicwe nabi.
Jack played the market shrewdly. Now runs his investments out of a townhouse off Regent's Park. Personal
Jack yaje kuba umucuruzi ukomeye cyane arangije gucuruza bwe ntabwo bwagarukiye aho numwe mu batunze za miliyari z'amadolari bari
in
hano.
excess of 300 million.
Blimey.
Yatangiranye miliyoni 300.
Questions regarding how
bidasanzwe iyo nzu mubona nayo ihagaze miliyoni 300.
business associates have disappeared or
Bamwe mu bakoranaga bagiye babura
dead.
abandi
Turner is currently bidding to acquire the Upper Khyber Dam. It's a
arimo arashaka kuba yajya kugura Opkaid Dam.
£1 hydroelectric facility.
Ni ahantu bacukurira za peteroli.
The Pakistani Minister for Privatization is
Hanyuma akaba hari muri Pakistan gusa minisitiri ushinzwe kuba yacuruza ibigo bya
handing it
leta
off to the highest bidder against
aremera kuba yacuruza icyo kigo gicukura za peteroli ku muntu uzatanga amafaranga
fierce
menshi.
political opposition.
Gusa nanone hari umuntu utarimo kwemera ko Jack Turner ashobora gufatira iryo soko akaba ari
Presidential candidate Fatima Zahir
yitwa Fatima Zahia. Fatuma ngo ntabwo yemera kuba yagurisha Jack Turner aho hantu.
has vowed to block the sale. If
We aravuga ko aramutse abaturage bamutoye ngo atazemera ko aho hantu hacukurwa peteroli
he
hagurishwa.
wins the election next month.
Kandi ashobora kuzatsinda amatora ukwezi gutaha next month. Sasa reba ukuntu abantu bapanga bagapangira mu Bwongereza bemeza uzatorwa n'utazatorwa ngatorwa ngaba batangiye kumupangira tayari.
Utility seems a bit out of Mr. Turner's league.
He's staking his entire fortune on it, so he'll use all his old tricks to ensure he won't.
Tana ndabona ariko byanze bikunze niba mwifuza ko yatsinda arimo aratanga amafaranga yose afite kugira ngo abone icyo kigo.
And our client wants to ensure that he loses.
Yeah, but not until we find out what
Umukiriya wacu ntabwo ashaka ko Tana ari uhagura. Umukiriya wacu ni ushaka kugura aho hantu.
Mr. Turner's game really is.
Gusa nanone kugira ngo tube Tana yatsindwa mu marushanwa yo kuba bajya kugura icyo kigo
Agenda
nuko tugomba kwinjira mu bye byose tukamenya umukino uko azawukina.
behind the agenda.
Niko bimeze.
So play.
None
Sam will
umukino
be the drawer.
Sam tugiye kumukoresha niwe uri bwinjireyo akajya kumenya uko umukino ukinwa. Sam ni wa mukobwa
The
wagarutse.
target?
Stephen Turner,
Target ninde? Target ni witwa Stephen Turner.
surviving son.
Uwo niwe muhungu warokotse wenyine wa Jack Turner.
He's public school educated. He's a lawyer.
Uwo mugabo yize ibintu bijyanye n'ubucamanza na avoka.
Widowed, with a young son, Edward, aged
Afite akana k'agahungu kitwa Edward nawe ni umupfakazi. Uwo mugabo nako ni umupfagabo.
10. They live in the Regent's Park house with Jack.
What happened to the mother?
Suicide. Last year.
Jack Turner is controlling and aggressive. It won't be easy getting to Steven.
Jack Turner ntago wapfa kumwijirira wa mukobwa we Sam byitondere kuriya mugabo ntabwo byoroshye nta n'umuntu ajya yorohera n'umwe.
Or giving him a reason to trust.
Ubwo ari umusaza.
The plan?
Study the files. We have a lot of prep and not a lot of time.
Dufite igihe gito ntabwo dufite kirekire. Buri wese araza kubona ibyandiko kwituma naho rye. Ubwo aranje zitasohoka. Bamuhaye gahunda no kujya kuneka umusaza witwa Jack Turner. Afite umusore witwa Steven Turner. Steven Turner niwe target. Naza kugira ngo rero ujye kuneka neza bagutega igikobwa cyiza nawe ukagenda urobye kumbekeje kugukurura. Mamagambo. Ubwo barakimuteze ngiki nibwo cyari kigaruka mu kazi. Yaje ejo mu gitondo bahise bamusubiza mu job. Uyu mukobwa ntago bazi cyamugaruka. Gusa umukobwa arimo kugenda dore wa wundi umukobwa ceka ko yamugambaniye. Uyu wa mugabo yari yavuze ngo bahure saa 10. Umukobwa yagiye kigabo kimukurikiye. Bombi nabatasi. Hey, ubundi baravuga ngo hejuru y'umumenyi habiki. Ngo kandi nuwirukanga cyane ari imbere ngo yatarebye neza aba hari uwamusize atabizi cyangwa se hari umukurikiye ushaka kumucaho. Wagambaniye umukobwa ubu nawe ari mu byago to niba ari uyu mugabo umukurikiye nibyo nazi yabonye igikobwa kigenda cyihuta nawe aragikurikira ageze kuri gari ya moshi yafunze kigihagazemo. Amushenzi wasingucishe cyari cyamubonye. Filime yiswe Hunted umuhigo. Yes, yegari we. Berega mu busurira ariko nicyatumye mvuka jewe no kubanezeza sa amafaranga ndabizi ntayo mugira bajye kugira w'ikigabo kiri muzo.
What do you expect? I'm a spy.
Watekerezaga iki ndi umunetsi? What did you expect? I'm a spy. Oh. Watekereje ko ndi buyoberwe wawe ndi umunetsi. Birimira. Filime yiswe Hunted. Hano ni heza.
You've seen it, you can go now.
Wahabonye ngaho genda.
You'd come back, Sam. You couldn't stay away, even if it meant they tried killing you again.
How did you
Sam, icyakugaruye no kugira ngo uvumbure umuntu washatse kukwica agerageze kukwica nanone.
know anyone did?
Sam, that cafe was a bloodbath.
Is that what you...
Wamenye utese ko bashatse kunyica. Umva ya cafe twagomba guhuriramo it was a bloodbath. Na ahantu wagira ngo bakarabiye amaraso.
Or kill?
Keel doesn't know. Or at least I didn't tell him.
Niba atari we ni Kill ntago yayiyiza kuri ibyo bintu. Kill ni boss wabo. Mwihangane gato barimo barihutisha amagambo kandi hano niho ruzingiye.
I knew you'd come back, Sam. You couldn't stay away, even if it meant they tried killing you again.
How did you know anyone did?
Sam, that cafe was a bloodbath.
Is that...
Sam, your cafe wagira ngo abantu bakarabiye amaraso. It was a bloodbath.
Did you told Kill?
Keel doesn't know. Or at least I didn't tell him.
Why not?
I figured if you didn't report in, you must have your reasons.
Naje kumenya ko utapfuye agomba kuba ari impamvu zitatumye ugaruka mu kazi. Gusa namenye ko utapfuye.
No, I wasn't dead.
Wamenye ute ko napfuye? Ikigabo gitangira kumuganirira. Baramurashije witagera. Koga! Koko!
I saw your footprint.
Narebye ibirenge byawe wavuye urimo gucika amaraso yari mu nkweto zawe bucika.
Not a pulse in the place. Sam, what happened?
Sam byagenze.
Set up.
Naragambaniwe. Amaje ko byagenze umukobwa ati there was a setup.
Who?
Nande.
You think it was me?
Ukeka ko ari jye kugambaniye. You think it was me? Umugabo atangira kumubaza ukeka ko ari jye
No one
kugambaniye.
else knew where I'd be.
Ntabwo ariko nigeze nkubwira ko ari wowe nta nubwo naguketse ibyo urabyivugiye.
Only you.
Okay,
Nta wundi wari uza hano kandi twagomba guhurira ni wewe wenyine.
I can see that.
Sawa
And
ndabyumva.
think the same thing.
Nanjye nibyo ntekereza.
Except it's me you're talking about, Sam.
Nta wundi koko Sam wari gukeka atari jye nanjye urimo kubwira.
So someone else found out where I'd be.
That's right. They must have.
How?
Bamenye bataho narindi hagomba kuba hari uwamenya aho uri.
I don't know.
Not a pulse in the place. The bartender was alive when I left.
Ubwo nacikaga bartender ari muzima wa musaza wakoraga muri ako kanuzi. Muri ako kabari. Yatangira kwibuka arimo kuhagera kuri uwo munsi.
Oh, he was most definitely dead.
Magera uwo bartender nawe nasanze yapfuye.
Someone was sent to clean up.
Bivuga ngo hari uwoherejwe kugira ngo atunganye ibyari bihari byose. Someone was sent to clean up.
Sort of thing you're good at.
Kugira ngo werekane ko watari wanyishe mazuza nyuma.
Since you've got it all worked out, let's say, yes, I did order a hit on you.
Wenda katuvuge ko ari giye wategetse itegeko ryo kugira ngo baze bakwice.
I couldn't go the normal route if it's not working out between us. We both want different things. It's not you, it's me. No, let's go for assassination instead.
None reka two gushaka guca hirya no hino tujye kuri assassination ubwicanyi tunagomba kugukorera.
But why would I want to kill my own child?
None se nigutegewe nashatse kukwica ngashaka no kwica umwana wanjye.
I knew what you wanted to talk to me about, Sam. Like every tiny inch of you.
Ibyo uvuga ni urimo kuvuga ndakubona nkagusoma. Nigute nashaka.
I knew.
Nari mbizi icyo wenda kukumbwira muri ako kabari. Cafeteria. Nari mbizi ko.
Did you?
Yamweretse akada mugenzi bapimye mu rusasu. Ruhita umutwe w'umwana usibye ko nyina ntacyo yabaye.
Answer your question.
Ibyo birasubiza ibibazo byawe wenda gakumbaza by'umwana.
For God's sake, Sam.
That answers your question. Sam.
Think that this was down to me. Why would I want to do that to you? You were in love.
Twari mu rukundo.
Wow.
Yego. Twarakundanaga. Bakora imirimo imwe kandi barakundanye umukobwa atangiye guceka. Nta numwe wizera uyu abantu bakorera iya mirimo. Aha, nanjye mujye mumbaza. Ubu mwagize ngo hari numwe nkunda muri mwe nako nezera. Murakapfa gusa.
I mean, you had to, sooner or later. But ask yourself this. Why won't you trust me?
Ibaze kuki utanyizera.
Is it because you don't love me anymore?
Kuko utakinkunda na rimwe. Because you don't love me anymore.
Is it because you're afraid you still do?
Cyangwa ufite ubwoba bwo kukinkunda. Oh, you are afraid because you still do. Ngo yarangije arasohoka. Ko yamenye urugo rw'iki gikobwa akagisanga kikamusanga no muzu. Niho ugiye ngubwira ni ba nimero nimukadukinisha. Uzi ko mwese namenya mu murari nona nganababwira je. Sekiki urasekiki. Hano ufite amenyo maremare araseka mana nyagasani. Uraza kwiruma. Kumba umukobwa ntabwo bigarukiraho ugarukira muri saro. Hano hari akantu kameze nk'akabato ndebere. Nta muntu wizera uyundi araramo ndani do agenda asutamye akinjiraho arara. Filmira. Hunted. Umuhigo. Barahiga mister. Hano ni nawe hari office do. Hakurya yashyize imbaho arangije maze aragenda arakotera neza. Yaranabyikoreye hano hari n'idirishya ushaka kumupima nabwo uri hanze aba yakubonye. Arangije atangira kwiga kuri buri muntu wese bakoranye. Ninde washatse kumwica cyagihe? Tangira kubigaho bose abo bakoranye. Tangira gutekereza umuntu ushobora kuba yaraketse ko yahemukiye. Widusakuriza. You have one new message. Ufite ubutumwa bumwe gusa. Aka telefone yasize yatangiye kwiga kubamuhamagaye. Arebe ko byibuze hari uwavuze ijambo. Ufite n'ibikurura amajwi y'abagenzi be bose ku matelefone. Papi, ntabwo arimo kumenya ninde washatse kugambana. Natekereje byinshi. Kwiki? Kugiki? Yamuhaye ikintu abakobwa ntibarimo hano ramwamuhaye ibintu by'iguniro mukagira. Istanbul. Tugaruka muri Turukiya. Tugarutse muri Turkey muri Istanbul. Hari umugabo wari wicaye mu kabari. Sinzi watumye ku mukobwa mu mukobwa wamwica abantu bakuru ariko umukobwa nawe byamubereye amayobera ariko gusa kuba nicaye hano nkasobanuye filime mumenye ko muri busobanukirwe ikibi ni ukubona nka pipi yayifashemo nyakwicwa n'uburoro cyangwa yakuntoryi utazi no gusoma. Bakira aho hari umugabo wakiriye SMS yifotoye wa mukobwa. Yari umukobwa muto afite nk'imyaka za 30 wakiriye SMS y'umukobwa yatangiye kwibuka uwo munsi yaje kurangiza umukobwa maze nawe wishe nyirukabari. SMS arayibonye sinzi uyimuhaye umukobwa aribaza ninde washatse kumwica ikigabo twe tukibonyeho kirimo gufotoramo uwo munsi umukobwa hava nacyo kishuye umusaza. Filmira. Umukobwa aratekereza byinshi. Ikigabo cyicariye muri Istanbul muri Turukiya umukobwa ari mu Bwongereza. Ni ibihugu bitandukanye cyane. Kuva hano muri Afurika kujya muri Turukiya ibarirwa mu Burayi ariko ni igihugu nacyo cy'abarabu kuntu. Nicyo gihugu gihuza Afrika no Burayi. Turkey. Umugabo ni yari umukobwa ari mu Bwongereza natwe turi hano i Rwanda turabareba. Tujye tureba abaginga ariko. Turebe bihanganiye hakurya. Nuko hakurya y'amazi. Umukobwa yakomeje gutekereza n'ubujya mbere y'amayobera. Ibyacu bidatinze bukiye bwaho mwibuka hari umugabo witwa Jack Turner niwe wari target y'uyu mukobwa. gusa ntabwo ashaka Jack Turner, arashaka Steven Turner, umuhungu wa Jack Turner, kugira ngo agere kuri se. Sarashaje kobwo kugenda buhoro buhoro yerekeraga hakuno, hari akana karinzwe, dore ba bodyguard inyuma, dore harimo na wa mugabo Steven Turner. Steven Turner inyuma y'akana, kumva akana niko kuzukuruka wa mugabo w'umukire cyane bashaka kujya kuneka. Dore se wakana, dore n'umurinzi inyuma wa yabo. Abana b'abakire baba barinzwe shabo. Bodyguard inyuma, papa w'umwana hagati. Hakuno hari imodoka yazaga isa n'icunga, kakana amenya sinzi niba bashaka gushimuta niba ari ibiki. Hafi aho ni nawe wa mukobwa yagenderaga. Katurori. Kandi imodoka zaragonganye, zazikegera. Imodoka yitambitse akana barangije. Wa mudamu arareba. Barushimusi. Kana kumukire. Wa mudamu. Urije kigabo mu maso bisenda. Kire kuri umwana ryasubiye mu modoka kiriruka. Sabaye akana kabakire. Eddie. Kana kitwa Eddie. Bodyguard yirukanga ikimodoka nawe kiramucika. Eddie umeze neza. Mumbe byose ni bipangano babipanze nguriya mukobwa wa Mujombe yo ajye mu bakire. Dore wabo bakire, dore amazu we, dore inzu. Dore inzu mwuka mwe mujye mureka bwa bundi bw'inyamirambo, umuntu aryama maze ibirenge bigasohoka munsi y'urugi. Bikajya hanze. Umuntu nuko ibirenge rero nkayakuza, hari n'igihimbwa ziza zikabihitana. Dore inzu wokapfa. Rugo.
You all right?
Umeze
Okay.
Umeze okay?
You're okay.
Umeze okay?
In one piece.
Arangira akagabo kimenya kurwana. Sogokuru ni umukire cyane, ariko uyu musaza ngo kubona amafaranga ye ubwicanyi yakoze subwina hafi.
Eddie? Yeah,
Eddie.
yeah. Of course you are. Of course you are, mate. You go with Mrs. S. She'll give you some ice cream.
Genda uriya mu mama guhe ice cream, bafite umukozi mu rugo umukecuru
Right,
ubita
right,
bose.
that'll sort it. Good boy.
Ibindi turaza
What happened, Daddy?
byagenze biti papa. Bari banshimutiye umwana, umwuzukuru wanjye wo kapfa we. Umusaza akunda umwuzukuru kurusha igihungu cye.
It was so quick, it was professional.
Umwana wa umwuzukuru wanjye bamuhitanye nawe bakaguhitana, bataguhitana naguhitana jewe. Ugarabwira se w'umwana, kandi se w'umwana ni umuhungu we.
Look like?
I don't know, he was Middle Eastern.
Uwamushimuse asagate, ntago mbise papa.
I don't know, it was quick.
Gusa byari byihuse.
Who's this?
This is Alex Kent, she said.
Yitwa Alex umukobwa.
Got the ID?
Ufite indangamuntu. Muze afite igihuje hano yacyarakuze, arakubaza nta bintu byinshi, nta masantima zanawe.
Christ's sake.
ID. Indangamuntu. Private. Nikurayo.
Yank. What are you, tourist?
Uri mukerarugendo.
Exactly.
Ntabwo ari
You
neza.
with you in one sec, gents? Thank you.
Mwihangane gato ndaje.
If not a tourist, what are you?
Utari mukerarugendo.
Keelan's looking for work.
She was
Ndaje nashaka
She
akazi.
saved Eddie, saved him.
Yatabaye Eddie.
Grateful.
Ndanezerewe.
Stephen, a word.
I'm sorry, Miss Kent.
Oh, it's okay, really.
Madam Kent ihangane. Yitwa Kent.
Thank you so much.
Abeshe ko ari umunyamerika akazi, kumbe n'umwongereza, n'icyongereza cyagihinnye wajyaho n'icy'abanyamerika, umwongereza wuzuye.
Would you like me to make a statement for the
Hari
police?
ikibazo.
won't be necessary.
Twajya kuri polisi tugatanga ikirego, se nta mpamvu. Harimo kugenda kakana karamurebye. Twana tw'abakire na aspirin tugira. Ari akana k'umutindi gahita kagushima wakoge. Ubwo abakire kaburavuga mumwe nagera amafaranga agenda ubu ngaho bw'intagwira.
Plan?
For the greater good.
Since when was one of our clients interested in...
Mwihangane gatoya. Sasa umudamu yavuyeyo wahita ajya ku kazi kwa Boss Kill.
You wanted to see me?
Ushaka kumbona?
Crane tells me it all went according to plan.
If you could
Bambwiye ko ibintu byagenze nk'uko twari twabipanze.
terrifying a 10-year-old boy a plan,
Niba mwita ibintu nka biriya gahunda, ibintu byo gukanga umwana w'imyaka 10 mukamukanga bingana kuriya.
Greater good.
since when was one of our
Muto
clients...
turimo gukora akazi ntabwo twita ku byiza cyangwa ibibi. Dukora job.
And I took you on,
Nagushyize mu kazi.
despite the fact that you lied to me.
Warambeshye umbeshya ngo ko wari warafashe akaruhuko, gusa nakugaruye icyo nshaka nuko ukora akazi.
And you're still lying to me.
Kandi na n'ubu uracyambeshye.
All I have to say,
I brought you to this company.
Navuga iki?
I gave you a career.
and I'm not
Nijye
ungrateful.
waguhaye akazi, nijye wakwenje muri iyi company.
Expressing your gratitude.
Why did you want to see me, Mr. Keel?
Nyakuba Kill, niki cyatumye umpamagara?
Breach. Bit of a coincidence, don't you think, springing a leak just as you come back?
Are you accusing me?
I don't make accusations till I have the evidence to back them
urabona
up.
taragatangaza kuba napfa kukuzana nkakuzana uri umuhanga mbizi neza ko ushobora no kuzakora ikindi kibi umuntu turi kurashinja boss ntabwo nyashinja mpaka mbonye ibimenyetso simusiga maze kuvumbura ko uri umuhanga gusa sinzi biri inyuma y'ibyo ngibyo.
Suit Sam Hunter. When you're ready to talk, I'm here.
Usa naho hari icyo urimo guhiga umunsi wabonye ko witeguye ndi hano. She's a hunter. Filime yiswe Hunted. Umukobwa ngo ni umuhizi. Umunsi yivuje kubwira boss cyo arimo guhiga.
Spanking?
Gil never leaves marks.
He just don't like secrets.
Boss yakubwiye iki? Boss nta muntu numwe ajya yizera.
Of course they is.
Boss yitwa Kill no kwica. Filime ira. Umukobwa ngo ni umuhizi.
Better than that.
Murumva mwabahigi mwe ntago ari mwese ariko ndavuga hamwe bimatimba. Umukobwa ni umuhigi. Chahiga.
The Norwegian firm that would manage the dam.
No surprise then.
Abagabo niba babonye nabanya Norway. Norway ni Norvège mu gifaransa. Norway. Barimo barakora na boss.
I said.
Uko nakubwiye.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hi, Alex. It's Stephen here. Stephen
Bita
Turner.
Alex ni
It's your
Steven.
little boy.
Umwana meza ate mutoya. Tayari kigabo atangiye kukineka. Ntabwo kibizi cyaho cyarobye do.
Yeah, he's fine. He's okay.
Umwana meze
He's,
neza.
yeah, he's still a bit shocked, actually. Lots happened to him recently.
Usibye ko akikanga ibintu byambayeho ejo umwana yarwaye toroma. Na n'ubwa mbere yarabonye abantu bashimuta abandi kuva yavuka. Abana bakiri ntabwo bajya bamenya ibintu n'ibyo ngibyo bidasobanutse. Ariko kwa kana Kenyamirambo abantu bakatera n'ingumi ngo cyane nanjye turahangana. Babwo baramenyereye bwo ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo.
Wondered if I could meet you for a coffee tomorrow.
Hari ikibazo ejo duhe.
Sure, my schedule's wide open actually.
Kuga kawa.
Great.
Nta kibazo nta kazi mfite ejo twabona.
The boathouse, Regent's Park. 3 o'clock.
Durire hari hafi ya de wano kwa Myasiro hari ya muri Yenya. Ntacyo.
Game on.
Gahunda irabonetse. Gahunda irabonetse. Mudamu tayari akazi gashobora gutangira. Icyo ashaka no kwinjira mu rugo rwabo wa Steven. Uwashaka cyane ni wa musaza wa Steven.
Mr. Turner?
Kwa Turner.
Stephen, please.
Obite.
It's
Steven Turner. Uyu yitwa Steven Turner. Papa yitwa Jack Turner.
I hope you don't mind, but I saw that Eddie.
Agahungu kabo kakuzukuru kamuze kitwa Eddie Turner.
Thank you.
Mwana arimuguriye akamodoka kakandike nabonye ejo bagakandagira.
He was asking after you this morning. He wanted to
Mungu
know.
wanjye akumbaje iki gitondo.
So sweet.
Mbega byiza. Agahungu keza.
Hey, tea, please.
Nuzanira icyayi. Ntabwo ngabyeri kumbe kandi ubuyo cyicaye cyonyine mu rugo abakomando nk'aba ngaba. Byera yisuka yo kajya ngo ningunguru barimo gusukamo.
Until I grew up there.
Right.
Nakuriye muri Amerika.
Who do you know in London?
No one really
Hari uwo mubana se?
wanted to make a new start. I
Oya
guess.
ndashaka gukora ubuzima bushyashya.
Taking a few unexpected turns.
Yeah.
Eh,
I'm sorry.
yangana.
You're sorry?
I know about your car crash last December.
How do you
Navumbuye ko imodoka yawe yagize accident mu kwa 12 guhise.
about that?
I know your husband and daughter were killed.
Umugore ugabo wawe n'umuhungu wawe barapfuye ndabizi.
Sorry for your loss.
Are you checking up on me?
Wagiye none munyinjiramo utangira kuneka igikobwa kiri barishwa niba bakineka kumbe ni ibintu by'ibihimbano by'ibikuru bagakubita kuri internet. Uyu nawe yagiye gusoma ibintu by'ibihimbano. Nazi ko ari kumwe na nimero.
Yeah, you. It's just.
Ibyago.
It's mine, Eddie's. They're not usual. Everyone gets checked. Everyone.
Ask me.
Buri muntu wese ugeze iwacu arasuzumwa tumwigaho.
No, you came here to London.
Kanegende ntabwo njya nkunda abantu baneka
Damn
abantu.
that, really.
Ntabwo ari uko kuneka. Natwe tuba dutinya abantu niyo mpamvu mbana kwizeho.
It's my wife.
Wambabarire basi nanjye nagize ibyago by'umugore.
You know, I didn't lose her.
Urumva uri umupfakazi nanjye ndi umupfagabo iyo bivanze ibyo bibiri bivamo iki?
You know, I
Bivamo itotoro. Umwe yakwishumbusha undi.
start again.
Wakwihangana tugatangira nawe.
What you did was so completely selfless.
Ibintu wakoze ejo waritanze mu by'ukuri.
I just
Narakwizeye umuntu
want to
utakwizeye.
help you.
Nanjye ndumva nshaka kugufasha niba ushaka akazi koko.
Help me?
Kumfasha. Gute? Arashaka akazi.
So he wants you to move in.
Aragira ngo ujye iwabo.
When?
Yabisabye.
No, at once. His son missed 6 months of school and needs tutoring.
Yambwiye ngo umwana w'amezi 6 amaze igihe atajya ku ishuri kuva nyina yapfa. Mungu aragira ngo ngende mbe namwita umwana yankunze.
A third grade teacher who loves.
Ngo mite njyayo none aha ngaha iwabo banteguriye n'icyumba kirahari. Nta bintu byinshi barara muri etage wagira ngo ni Serena Hotel.
The bedroom.
Bayo ni mu rugo kwa Yanga.
House, my movements will be restricted.
Ndamutse ngeze muri urwo rugo gusa uko nambuka kose baraza kunkurikirana.
And you can watch them. You can see and hear everything that goes on in that house.
Nawe bagucunga nawe bacunga. Uko bagucunga uko utambuka nawe ucunga byose ibyo bakora muri urwo rugo. Si ibyo?
Hayden will be point. Zoe will provide intel and run surveillance with folks.
turaza kumushakira ibishobora kuba byadukurira amashusho byose.
Wait, no wires.
Why not?
A Chinese agent posing as an investor wore a body was found floating in the Thames.
hari umushinwa washatse kugira ngo abe yakora business uko nawe yazagurira damu handi bacukura amavuta gusa mu byumweru bibiri gusa basanze akarambo ke gahari bivuga ngo Tana n'umwicanyi mu rwego rwo hejuru arakuvumbura ugahita upfa wewe witambitse muri business cyangwa urimo kwitambika mu buzima bwe. Jack Tana wa musaza nta mekina afite igikorwa muri ukuntu yakibaza ngo ufite indangamuntu hakujya kure muzehe abasaza nk'aba ari seriye bajyaho ni impanga zinjiye ari utugabo rwose ubona ukavuga uti ibi niki ni ibikuri niko bateye ni bene wabo wasikari mwuko apfa mwe mwazakuze basanga bitariheba kandi ngo turacyara abana filimi iraha umukobwa arimo aratekereza byinshi menya nawe akiri muto yarahuye n'ibibazo yigeze gusanga nyina yishwe nyina yiciwe ku muhanda abishe nyina baramushimuse arimo arabyibuka byamubayeho nawe kumubaho ubu yinje muri business z'abandi atangiye kuneka abantu. Hey my friend is umukobwa akora muri MI6 ibiro bishinzwe ubutasi bw'Ubwongereza bamusabye kuza ngo agatangira job yo kureberera umwana.
Another handler.
Good morning to you too.
waramutse nawe.
Sorry, but you're stuck with me.
We'll get on with it then.
Dutch engineer Horst Goebbels. He's arriving tonight from City Airport to meet the...
hari Dutch engineer hari umugabo w'umudage engineer niwe ugomba kwiga ku ahantu bazacukura amavuta ko ari amavuta ahagije agiye kwigira uriya mugabo Jack Tana.
What do we know about him?
He appears to be a bit of a cipher. No photos, just a brief bio online. He specializes in water contamination.
uriya mugabo ikintu cy'ubuhanga yizeho cyane ni ikintu kijyanye n'ibintu babyivanzemo n'amazi. ashaka kumenya ko ayo mavuta uriya Jack Tana agiye ku uruganda agiye gura rw'amavuta rutarimo n'amazi.
This is Tana.
That's what we need you to find out.
turashaka kugira ngo
In
bimenye.
conversation, copy any documents that he brings with him.
ufata ibintu byose baganira nubona ibyangombwa byose ubifotore nta kindi dushaka.
Going to be a little tough with a 10-year-old on my arm.
ibiraza kunkomera ko nakazi kankomereye kuba ngiye kwita ku mwana w'imyaka 10 hanyuma kandi ndangiza ntangire kuneka sekuru.
Crane figured that.
uze gushaka uburyo bamwe twa kamera twuzuzwa mu nzu hose.
Keel says there's a mole on the team.
Kiri yambwiye ngo ariko hari byinshi mu ikipe.
Who?
inde
He doesn't know.
ibiki ntabwo abizi gusa nawe asa n'aho yavumbuye ko ari umuntu wangambaniye.
That he's just trying to rattle you because he can't bear not knowing where you've been.
irimo kwibaza aho wahoze.
Because if you're the mole, you'll run.
iyo ibintu bimaze ko gukomerana umuntu aracika akiruka. nimbona munkomereye namwe nzabacika. Kaba muri Amsterdam niho turi.
Gaat het? Ja, goed.
Kumbe dore wa musaza w'umudage uyu musaza ni engineer niwe ugomba gupimira wa mugabo Jack Tana ucyaje saza ufite indangamuntu niwe ugomba kugipimira ko amavuta bagiye kukigurisha nta kibazo kirimo.
Ik zou vroeg terug zijn.
ndagaruka kare
Tijd ben voor vliegveld.
nawe urahita werekera ku kibuga cy'indege arimo arasezerana na madamu sawa urakoze. umugabo yagomba kuva muri Amsterdam yerekera mu Bwongereza London. bakira umudamu yarasohotse umugabo nawe ari tayari kuba yakwerekera ibintu bijyanye no gusuzuma yagiye kure aba yibereye mu nganda dore n'ahandi mu ruganda rucukura ibyo hasi yo ngiyo ibintu byose biva hasi birakatsindwa ni benshi babigwamo shaho za essence mujya mwumva abantu bose bapfa kubera ibihugu barimo by'ama essence ibintu bijyanye na twazahabu na twa diama abantu barapfa ubukungu bo mu butaka burakatsindwa wajya n'umwaka.
Ja, kan ik u misschien helpen?
gufashe
Ja.
goble undi ati cyane
Het spijt me.
wijute undi ati hari ikibazo cyabaye accident yabaye.
Er is een ongeluk gebeurd. Een ongeluk?
Accident?
Het is toch mezelf?
umuhungu wanjye yagize accident?
Nee.
oya
Het is jou.
ni wowe. Engineer wagomba kujya gupimira Jack Tana arimo aricirwa muri Amsterdam kivanayo urushinge. tega ijisho sarimo tega nkwice kare bica mu jisho nani bicanyara igishinge mu jisho bicanye ziragwira. uyu mwicanyi mwibuke neza ni nawe wari muri restaurant muri Istanbul maze kuri telefone ye haza ifoto y'uyu mukobwa Sam none yishe umuntu ugomba kuza muri uru rugo.
Ready? Have you come to stay for a bit? For a bit.
Bite.
Your room's on the second floor. It's just across from Eddie's. Mr. Sidwell will show you up.
Perfect.
Uyu mudamu araza kukwereka inyubako uko iteye, ugiye hejuru akwereka aho urara nta kibazo. Basi uyu mudamu hari ikibazo gihari. Ntabwo azi ninde washatse kumwica cyagiye ari muri cya gihugu. Hahandi muri ka cafeteria. Washatse kumwicirayo wishe n'icyo gisaza tubonye arimo kwica undi muntu muri Amsterdam. Ufite indangamuntu. Dore ukuntu areba. Saza areba nk'impaga shaho. Reba nk'ikinyogote dore ukuntu areba umuhungu we ngwino hano. Zavuga yitonze kandi n'amakare arica no kwica nta mikino agira. Dore umujinya. Umujinya uri he?
What's the matter with you?
Ufite ikibazo.
Marbles or something?
Dad, if she hadn't done what she did...
Drop her a
Papa uriya muntu ibyo yakoze ejo nagatangaza.
The grand, thank you very much. End of story.
He asked
Wari kumushima uti wakoze cyane muri Karangirira.
after her, Dad. He actually asked after her.
Yari akeneye akazi igihe yanabariye umwana kuki ntamuha akazi.
She's the first person Eddie's shown any interest in since
Ndetse
back.
ni nawe muntu wa mbere umuhungu wanjye Eddie ashoboye kuba yanyereka
Stranger in this house.
umuntu tutazi muri uru rugo.
We checked her out.
A stranger in this house. Papa ntacyo.
It'd be good for Eddie having her here.
Eddie
What do you know about bringing up a kid?
Mwana muto uzute mu bijyanye no kurera abana wowe urimo kuvuga uzana abantu ntazi.
Which is you.
Papa
I did my best.
uriya ni umuhungu wanjye ngomba kumurera uko mshaka ariko jewe nari kureze neza kurushaho.
Well, I'm gonna do better.
Papa njye nkeka ko nakora kukurusha nawe. I can do better.
My firstborn's not gonna end up gutted with his dick cut off.
Umuhungu wanjye ntabwo nzamwima icyo yifuza niba yakunze umuntu yamukunze.
Just get rid of her, Stevie.
Stevie, twitondere n'abantu urimo kuzana muri uru rugo. Ze, office ayifite mu rugo. Najya ava mu rugo reka da. Abashaka gukora business bamusanga mu rugo. Kireke bagiye mu cyamunara. Nawe nibwo afata imodoka akajya mu cyamunara.
Not even biscuits.
Kumbe hakuno.
HT. I hate you, HT. It's got that chalky aftertaste. Makes me gag.
Agabuko bari hakuno barimo
Pasteurized.
barimo barapanga uburyo bagiye gutangira kuneka Jack Tana. Ibyuma babizanye kare umukobwa nawe bamuhaye ibyo agomba gutereka mu rugo bikurura amasho abana baho bari bakayabona. N'amajwi.
Folks. The reason I left the forces was so I didn't have to keep drinking this shit.
Impamvu navuye mu gikomando nagize ngo nze muri iyi service ariho nzaba ninywera amata ko twe turya neza tukanywa neza.
Because they fool you.
Sibye ko n'ubuzima buba mu byago kurusha abandi.
Why don't you? That's very painful to me, you know. You're causing me pain.
Birababaje we, birababaje amata ntabwo giye nayanywa. Aya mata ntabwo aryoha nk'ay'intuza. Urumva?
Kill wanted.
You trust him?
Hell, I don't trust you.
Uriya musore watuzanyemo uramwizeye ni uko nakwizeye. Nta muntu wizeye yundi hano.
No, nobody leaves unless specifically ordered.
Nta muntu uva hano yari yisabiraga kujya kugura andi mata. Nta muntu uva hano kereka ibwirizwa rije ari uko turitegetse. Hari ikigiye kuba.
You talk to her? She tell you anything about where she been? Anything at all?
Sam mwavuganye hari ikintu nagimwe yigeze akubwira cyangwa. Sam nta muntu numwe wigeze amenya hano yari amaze umwaka. Bose baramukeka. None bamwohereje mu kazi kwa Jack Tana. Kumbe Sam imirimo iratangiye akigera mu rugo nta kuryama. So nahase baraganira. Amasaha ari hafi yakaba yanahageze s'il vous plaît. Sam atangiye job. Arimo aranekinza atazi n'ubwa mbere yijemo tekereza baramutse bagufasha. Ukigera mu rugo maze ugatangira kwisirisinga uzengurukamo. Hey! Harimo ibiro ni naho boss arara. Dore za office ziri hano. Ko gatangira gutega. Twa kamera dushyiramo. Ba kamera bushyira munsi y'intebe muri garderobe. Ahantu hose twa kamera duto kandi. Job yatangiye. Ndaho haruwaje. Steven Tana. Yategaga bari bamufasha habuze gato. Yari yasuka yakayoga kumba ari akajya kuba.
The KPEC documents have just arrived. Your father would like you to review them.
Okay.
Hari ibyandiko bije papa yagira ngo ugende ubisuzuma unati cyane. Ibyo umukobwa barabyumvisha arabahageze n'ibyandiko. Kamera yatangiye kare kuzitega.
Camera up.
Yaciyemo.
She's good, all right?
Yep. Rebels arriving on a Lufthansa flight into city in 45 minutes.
All right, Sam, I want you to go to City Airport and watch for Gogo.
Why can't folks go?
Because I'm ordering you.
uyu bamuhaye itegeko ryo kujya ku kibuga cy'indege agacunga ninde ugiye kuza muri urwo rugo. Hari umushyitsi bari bategereje ugomba kuva mu Budage. Amsterdam, muri Amsterdam, mwebwe muri Amsterdam hari uwapfiriyeyo. Menya rero ko ajya akabagiye gutegereza. Uyu bamuhaye itegeko ryo kujya ku kibuga. Urugo.
Yes,
Yega.
that's right.
Gwiki?
Where?
Reka sha umubonye.
Who is this?
Uyu ninde? Mu rugo kwa Jack Tana bahamagara bodyguard. Boss.
What is it, Bingham?
I have some good news.
Mfite amakuru meza.
Shit, scramblers are killing the audio.
Amajwi ntabwo arimo kuvuga.
Something's going on.
Ari kijya mbere boss arasa n'urakaye. Boss bamubwiye ko ari amakuru meza bamufitiye niba ari amakuru nyabaki. Ategeka kubijyanye nayo makuru ariko asa n'urakaye. Babibonye mu mashusho. Sam amaze gutegatega inzu.
Would you like me to read you a story?
Mutubwira gakuru.
My mummy read them all to me. She's not alive anymore.
I know. I'm sorry.
Numva nta nkuru ushaka kumva.
Dad says you had a family.
Ufite umuryango?
I did.
Nari ngufite. I did.
They died too.
Nawe barapfuye.
They did.
Barapfuye. They did barapfuye koko. They did. Byarabaye. Yes, yeah.
You know, tomorrow, for your breakfast, we have every cereal, and whatever's your favourite, we probably have it.
Ejo mu
We
gitondo
don't.
ukunda iki?
Sid we can go get it for you.
Byose turabifite. Uriya mudamu arazijya kubikushakira. Nta kibazo.
But I tell you what,
Mbwira
I
iki?
have the same thing as you.
Ibyo ukunze nibyo nzarya.
Okay.
Sawa.
See you tomorrow morning.
Tuzabona ejo mu gitondo. Akana kumvise ko nawe yapfushije. Kari kagiye kumuguzanira amaganya akabona nawe araza kukabwira andi maganya akamwihorera.
Sleep tight.
Uramuke? Sleep tight, uryame neza. Nawe uramuke? Mbese abantu bashobora kugenda ukamuganirira amaganya nakakuganirira nigeze gusanga yakuntu rya bwira Pipi ngo Yanga yaje kabaye ngo buturajya wo gacwa we. Pipi nawe ati nanjye nabivumbuye kare ko kabaye nsigaye mbyinira mu magunira. Wona wasanganya ni video wawe ufite umutwe nk'wambote. Filmira umuntu ukamucurangira amaganya akakubwira ndi kumbe dore wawe ndi bohereje ngo ajye ku kibuga cy'indege amenye ninde ujya kwa Jack Tana baramuteye ari we nibiti barakubita abamushimuse ni bande yaravuye no kwigurira amata.
Get it sleeping.
Numwe mu bantu bakorana n'uyu mukobwa Sam.
Thank you again.
Koze na none.
Here's to you, Miss Kent.
Call me Alex.
Akira Madame Kent. Yita Alex.
Alex.
Cya boss cyase cy'umwana cyarobye.
He's arrived.
Thank you.
Yahageze. Uyu mukobwa maze ata mu gutwi hari uhageze. Sekisa. Seki, ninde?
How was your trip?
Urugendo rwari rumeze rute twakomerewe.
This is Dr. Hurst.
Nindura nk'uwaca kumbe umuntu uhageze wa mugabo wishe umudage yaje mu kimbo cy'umudage. Uyu ni umwicanyi muri uru rugo.
Who's Kent?
Madame Kent, hari uwamubwiye ngo uriya mudamu yitwa Kent. Undi ati Madame Kent muri aho. Uyu mugabo ni nawe washatse kwica Madame Kent. Mwibuka afite n'ifoto bamwohereje kuri telefone. Abantu bakuru nuko karangiye nakoze kuza murabeho ndabakunda ikurikirana n'uyiciko turacyakomeza Yanga kandi from the one film production. Aka gafilme gasigara ari aka the one film production. Ikurikirana n'uyicikwe iyi ni season iratangiye ndetse turacyakomeje. Umwicanyi dusize abonanye na Kent niba mwicira hariya nibyo nazi abonanye na Sam. Nocikwe n'abandi ugende babwira uti hari season nshya yitwa Hunted. Iyo yakatiye muzayireba muzumirwa urumva Yesu nababwiye turazumirwa.
How are we? No. Huh? We ready? I was born ready. Let's do this.
Come on, Dave. What's the plan?
Hey. We locate the toxin and action our escape strategy. That's what we got.
Great. Lead the way.
Bank robber, your job is to keep this covert and non-lethal as long as you can. Against the wall, quick! Whoa! Give it to him, Townley. Move it! You, don't be a hero. Drop your weapon. Okay. Now hit the elevator. So what exactly does a neurotoxin look like? You're on a need-to-know basis, bank robber. Shut it. Elevator's coming down. Someone's on board. Out, out, out! Easy now, easy now. Please, don't. You got clearance? Grab the card. Now, up. How you feeling about this? I feel pretty damn fine. Yeah, if only your camera crew was here. Round to the right. Come on. Clear. Let's go. You see the lab geeks? I don't want trouble from these two. Put them up! Put them up!
Take what you want. I don't care.
We gotta keep moving. Along here and to the left. Let's keep moving. Up through here. Behind the wall. Security detail about to make a pass. They're on us. Make a judgment call.
I dare you. Just a little pinprick. What can a pinprick do? Ask the monkey. Go on. A tiny amount.
Clear. We move forward. You got the access card. Swipe us in. There's a lab rat in with the toxin. Let's do this. Open the door.
I'm not coming out.
Door can only be triggered internally. Pause it. We got company. I got this. You! Hands up! Back up! Back up! And freeze! We get collateral! You want to see his very large brain smeared on the glass? Open up! Stick up, guy. You're expendable. Get the nerve agent. Get moving, now! This'll make me the most dangerous man in the country. I'm also the most shit scared. Oh, man. Thank you, federal government. Damn it. We need to get the nerve agent into a refrigeration unit.
Warning. Facility has been breached. Facility has been breached.
Look at this idiot!
You got the right weapon? This shit's about to get real. Security team! Come on, push through! We can't slow down!
What the? You fucking idiot!
I don't want to be around when Michael takes a bullet in the test tube!
Oh no! My big brakes hit!
Let's go, let's go! Another guard! Poor bastard! This is for the greater good! Left, up here! Push for the exit! Corridor goes around to the left!
I'll kill you!
Hey, you work for the wrong branch of the government! Can we get a move on? You chose the wrong line of work. Sorry, we gotta go. me in the wrong place and we're all fucked. Come on, let's go. Move to the door. This ain't a rescue mission, Abe. You're on your own. Get back from the door. Final search. Let's get that hot sauce from the frigo. Reinforcements should be arriving. Wouldn't be surprised if they had the whole county on lockdown. Just what I need. I got a nerve fucking agent in my pocket and a battalion of soldiers on my ass. Do it! Let's go!
Hell, it was just down the freeway.
Trevor about?
He's probably out somewhere drinking human blood or eating household pets.
He's not that bad.
Really?
Well, okay, he is pretty bad. But he's got a sensitive side.
Oh, yes, he's very sensitive. When he gets his feelings hurt, he's devastated. So what's your story?
I ain't got a story. I'm an independent thinker. Living out here away from the man. From what I can tell, you're like a high school athlete. Living off old glories. You used to be able to manage heat. And now you're worried if your loafers are getting scuffed.
Any more bullshit comes out of your mouth, you're gonna learn all about my past glories firsthand. You understand?
Absolutely, sir. That came out wrong, all wrong. Tell Trevor the monthly train is coming through.
What monthly train?
The monthly train.
Where have you two been?
Getting some fresh air.
Talking of beautiful things.
Yes, I hear Stockholm Syndrome is very nice this time of year.
Oh, hey, watch your mouth, boy, all right? It's always been a dream of ours. The train of dreams.
The hell are you talking about?
I'm talking.
There's a new conductor on this train. You on the water?
Sure, just caught a fish. Let me know when you need me.
Got it? Eat it? Be under that fucking bridge. When we go past Toledo Station, whole of Merryweather's gonna be on to us. Train ain't stopping here, boys! I ain't far out. You under the bridge?
Approaching the inlet now. I'm powered through to the bridge.
I'm living the life, my friend. This is quite a spot you picked.
Enjoy it now, because it's about to start raining fire.
to steal.
Don't be smart! Find the loot! Our moment of...
It's about fucking time!
I'll be as quick as I can be. I gotta run a fucking salvage operation in here.
Merryweather fleet's here, bro! Get the sword and get out of there!
I ain't struck gold or art or anything yet! Hold them off!
You wanna die in that block? Let's go!
I'll find something when I find something! Hold on! That chopper's got me in its sights, T!
Find something, Mike! Find something! Sniper's on the bridge!
Hey, your rifle's got a thermal scope, right? Use it! And find those shooters before they find me!
Hurry it up! Get some transport for us!
Oh, his and hers, huh?
Because of your independent spirit. Hey! Hey, before you go, show me the loot.
It's perfect.
Perfect for fucking what?
For squaring things with that Mexican psycho. We give him this, and you end your relationship with that little lady. Maybe we won't be dead men in Los Santos.
I don't fucking see that Silicon City again. It'll be too soon. But this is my job, not your call to make.
Nah, your job. Fuck things up with the Mexican to begin with.
My job, my score, get your own!
Wait, you give me that case, I'll give you something bigger.
What?
Union Depository.
Fuck off. Can't be done.
I never said impossible. Just very difficult.
Verging suicidal?
That a line you're afraid to cross? Come on, T. You remember the dreams? Couple kids pulling jobs, the big one. I know it sounded crazy back then, huh? But hey, you and me together again. With Lester and Franklin on board, we can do this thing, T. This ain't no dream no more. Hey. You keep the case.
Fuck me. Okay, hey! All right. Here. Keep that silly fucking thing. And you can keep Patricia as well, all right? Because I respect that lady and I ain't gonna hold her back.
Thank you.
Just remember, I'm gonna be keeping my eye on you every inch of the way, all right?
Of course.
And if that bastard
fucking cheats on her one more time, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You know, Trevor, we both know you're not the marrying kind. But hey, it's great to be back in business, huh? Let's bring it on.
The big one! The big one!
Hello?
Townley's on the line, too.
Hey, Trev.
All right. I need your whole crew over at Cape Catfish. We're moving on the chemical weapons plant.
Nah. I just gave something to Lester. I need to deal with some stuff. Get back to Los Santos. Just, give me a week.
We got the equipment with your Polito money. The gangbanger's already on the way. The window's open, my friend, and you are jumping out of it.
Shit.
Los Santos ain't going anywhere, bud.
Oh, hey, man. How you doing?
Man, I was wondering, have you heard from your family?
Yeah, sure. No, that's a lie. Haven't heard a fucking thing.
Damn, that's fucked up, man.
Yeah, well, not gonna matter. We're all gonna be dead in about a half hour anyway.
What's going on, ladies?
Hello, Trevor. What kept you?
Business, Michael, business. All right? I'm the CEO of a big international corporation. It's very time-consuming. Nothing, of course, you'd understand, being a gentleman of leisure. You know, Franklin, if there's one thing that you're gonna learn from being around us...
Please fucking insanity. Then they can't fry you.
If you want something done, go to the busy man. This rich fuck is useless.
Hold on, man. Could y'all knock that shit off?
Oh, look! Boys, you're boys. It's the feds.
Hey! Where's the other 3?
What other 3?
We told you to bring along 6. This is a 6-man job.
No, you didn't.
Dave did?
No, Dave didn't.
You said you'd do it.
That is a frickin' lie. I do not get things wrong.
All right, great. Then we're out of here. Fuck it. Let's go.
You 3 can do it alone.
And fuck you. You do your own dirty work.
Hey, I do my dirty work every day, keeping the country safe from scum like you.
And you're doing a great job, sir.
Hey, you want this job done? Then come with us, huh? Come on, Mr. Leisureware, Mr. Depressed Accountant. Let's go save America.
Who the fuck are we saving it from this time?
This is the real deal. My sources are convinced there's a plot in international affairs, you know, the agency, and they're using this facility to make a serious nerve toxin.
Bullshit.
Yeah. Which they plan in their mind-blowing insanity to let a major terrorist release on a metropolitan area so they can continue to get funding. Nothing increases funding for fighting terrorism more than successful acts of terrorism.
All right. So let me get this straight then.
No, there is no getting it straight. That's the point. Now we're doing this. You 2 are on getaway. Fuck off and make it happen. Michael, you're with us. What size flipper you wear? Agent Norton, it's been a while since you were in the field. The sight of you in neoprene is something we save for our worst enemies.
Shut up, I'll be fine.
And you, get in. You're driving.
Follow the coast to the south. It's not far.
Listen to me, Steve. No wisecracks, got it? No fucking cliches. We're fighting for the freedom of the people today.
Don't lecture me on patriotism. You've been living outside the system too long. Social responsibilities, a joke to you.
So maybe I redeem myself, get killed in the process, huh?
There'll be a crate over the outlet. Townley, you've got the cutter. When we get there, go to work punching through. Roger that. I'm taking... That's burning at over 3,500 degrees. Yeah, thanks for the science lesson. Can I keep this for the next vault I hit? You've got a limited supply of gas in the cutter, so get this right. So, you got any more little facts for me from the instruction manual? Thought you'd want some intel on the equipment we sourced using your hard-won funds. Ha! I figured it was all gonna go on a wardrobe full of windbreakers. Oh, and maybe some nipple clamps.
Perseus. The CIA's analysts consider him to be the single largest threat to the free world.
You've been given an important task. Protecting our very way of life from a great evil.
The United States and its allies slowly consume that which is dear to us.
We are hours away from Perseus detonating nuclear bombs in every major European city.
We'll do whatever it takes. Some of us will cross the line to make sure the line's still there in the morning. No one's gonna brand us heroes or villains. They don't know us. As for me, I've been chasing this ghost for 13 years. That ends now.
Five days ago, while on a mission, we acquired intel that Perseus is in play again and planning an attack on the West. Perseus. The CIA's analysts consider him to be the single largest threat to the free world.
Mr. Hudson, we're all aware of Perseus. We're also aware he's more myth than fact. I mean, personally, I think he's nothing more than the Russian boogeyman.
General Haig, allow me to introduce the man best suited to respond to that. CIA clandestine special officer Russell Adler. He's one of the few people who even come close to capturing Perseus.
Mr. Adler, why should we take this Perseus threat seriously?
You don't have to, sir.
Yeah, then a lot of innocent people are gonna die.
Why do you say that?
Sir.
Every time Perseus has come into play, it shifted the balance of the Cold War. After 13 years of silence, if he's active, something big is gonna happen. Something that will affect the free world.
Sir.
Mr. President.
Sir.
Mr. President.
Mr. President, this is Jason Hudson and Russell Adler.
I know their names. Who do you think approved their last mission? Is the threat real?
Yes, sir, we believe it is.
Can you stop Perseus?
We can, sir. I've already submitted the requisition for my team.
Sir, their requests are highly irregular. Most likely illegal if the press gets a hold.
What the hell are you talking about? You know who we are?
Every mission we go on is illegal.
Sergeant Woods, plausible deniability is the backbone of our work.
Al, we're talking about preventing an attack on the free men and women of the world. Give Mr. Adler whatever he wants. Gentlemen, you've been given an important task. protecting our very way of life from a great evil. There is no higher duty. There is no higher honor. And while few people will know of your struggles, rest assured, the entire free world will benefit. I know you won't fail us.
This is Hudson.
How long until we have a lead on Perseus?
They're about to get started. Adler's in West Berlin. He should be at the safe house soon.
Do you trust him?
I'm not the one you should be asking, Black.
What about his team?
It's a strong group. He chased down Sims, Azalea, even pulled some strings to get Helen Park from MI6. We'll get them Mason and Wood soon.
I'm not so sure about Park.
She and Adler have that business from before. Of course he wants her there.
And the new one.
Bell? Well, don't get me started. That's the one we need to keep our eyes on.